We need to be brutally honest with people.
All right, let's go, team. I'm gonna come back way smarter. I guess that's true. Okay. Hello, I'm Evan.
There's more coming. Stay tuned.
How you doing?
Good, man.
How was the trip?
No problems, man. Pumped. I'm ready for this. This is happening. It's real. We're gonna head to the Airbnb. We got 2 calls to do along the way, and settle in, and then prepare for tomorrow, the big day in Pittsburgh. I'll probably do a practice run tonight. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. You did a good job. Good job, Nina. This place is huge. Oh, look at that. There you go. A giant laundromat. Although you don't need it yet. And it's still not dirty enough yet.
That's nice.
Yeah, we could film something here for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Bedrooms. There you go.
There you
We
go.
get the giant bed. It's so fast. Hey, happy Pittsburgh. Like he's any tired, he's stopping. Come on, man, let's go. You can't stop. We're doing the video. I was told Pittsburgh water is not good to drink by Danny and Nina, so we're going bottled water. Oh man, Nina's making some good food though. That's some healthy stuff, Nina.
Yeah, it's healthy.
Good job.
We're having breakfast at Pamela's in Pittsburgh. It's cheat day for me. It's workshop day for me. Nina picked this place because
It's been around for a long time and it's famous.
Nina loves famous.
And look at the background, it's nice.
Diner.
Yeah.
Nina and Danny are foodies, so we have to try local food to make them happy. I just can't eat too much and get sick for my workshop tonight.
Yeah, don't eat too much, okay? But good thing we're working today.
Yes, practice.
Oh my god.
That's good, right?
Oh, I'm so good. I haven't had potatoes in
I know.
so long. That's so good.
I'm feeling good. We slept pretty good. Some noise happening.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a lot of music.
Oh yeah.
I didn't hear the music. I heard the fire truck go by or something.
I heard people screaming outside.
Yeah.
I'm feeling good. Workshop is tonight. I want to get I have 2 scheduled in practice sessions. We're gonna go to a coffee shop after this, and I'm gonna practice. And then I'm gonna do a hardcore practice session when I get home at around 2, right? 2 to 4, and then 5 o'clock we go and get ready to do it. So I'm a little anxious because I wanna get my practice on. But as soon as I get my practicing done, then I'm always like, yeah, it's so good.
Oh my god. So good.
Oh yeah.
What's going on, Evan? What are we doing now?
Next, we're going to lunch at Carmichael Brothers Bar. Hopefully, it's good. It's been highly recommended. And are we hungry? Are you hungry?
I'm always hungry.
I'm not really that hungry, but it doesn't matter. It's cheat day, so we're gonna stuff our faces. Let's go.
It's better than I expected.
Better than you expected? Are the French fries inside? Oh, they are. They're inside. Look at that. Look at that, vlog. Look at that. Oh, this is a good burger. I feel like the french fry went up my nose as I was eating it, and I feel like it's always in my face. Can you give it some thing? Fermenty Brothers. We love you, Fermenty Brothers. Hello, I'm Evan. Okay, next
Okay.
up. Peace, love, and little
Okay,
donuts.
let's try. Oh, I just.
Pittsburgh,
Yummy,
famous
yummy.
spot. She's going for the
Oh, this is
marshmallows.
s'mores. This one's
S'mores. Go for it, Nina. Sweets.
Yummy. Really good.
So they're all the
Very
same
good.
donut, but it's just different toppings.
Yeah.
Got it. We made it. This is it. We're at the Cambria Hotel here in Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh. Ready to go. In what time is it? It is 4:40. So in 2 hours. In 2 hours we'll have begun. This room will be full of people. We'll be changing lives. I'm excited. It's happening. The first one. Day one. We're here. Pittsburgh. Woo!
Okay. Oh my God, my glasses. Okay.
Nina's organizing. She's in organization mode, and we love her. She set all this up. Now we gotta unpack this gear and make it all work. Let's go.
That's what we're trying to conquer, guys. Like those things that you've been thinking about for a year or 3 months. And just letting it sit and letting it sit and letting it sit and like nothing happens.
How did today go, Nina? I'm just posting my final Instagram of the day. Actually, probably not of the day, to be honest. I'll go home and do
There will
more.
be more.
There'll be
Yeah.
more tonight. Everybody's stories.
Yeah.
Nina, what happened? While I post this, what happened?
What happened? We did our first event
And
in Pittsburgh.
how was it?
It's good.
Look at this crazy pizza. Holy cow! Did you
Barbecue
film
is
this?
not good.
It's not good.
No, but try it though. I don't like it. But try it. I don't like it. I don't like
I'm
the
like,
barbecue.
our barbecue's not good.
Okay, just try it. Try it. I like the.
I'm so hungry now. I don't care. I think it was great. First event was great. Had a good crowd, good group. The exercises seemed to work well. The music figured itself out. We got some good jokes and good vibe.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to think, how do I make it better? I think we didn't have enough Q&A time.
Yeah.
And so now it's 11:36 and we finished our last question. But I don't know what to cut to add more Q&A in. Like, it's a tight, what we go through in 3 hours is ridiculous. It's
Yeah.
ridiculous.
Maybe just to make the event longer, if people want to stay longer.
But we've already put them all out. I don't know. I
Yeah.
think there's got to be. Think about it. But super pumped with how it went. Everybody seemed to really enjoy.
Yeah.
My favorite part is always at the end. So I'm looking at. There were 3 people who I was looking at for a huge chunk of the time, who were not as engaged as I would have liked. They got the hardcore people who were like, yeah, oh my god, I like the, really into it.
Yeah.
And then 3 people who weren't doing the exercises as much. That's all you look at, right? Look at the 3 people. It's
I know.
like, oh man, come on, man, I'm trying to. And then I got them laughing a little bit, like, yeah, get you. But still, they were still like really reserved. And then he comes up at the end. He's like, man, that was such a great workshop. Holy cow, can I take a picture with you? I'm like, really? I was trying so hard. So it just blows me away. Like, you never know. You never know. And people are just, they're in their own head trying to figure stuff out. So I'm really happy, grateful. The preparation paid off. Did a lot of prep work today.
Yeah.
But it's still not good enough, right? Like, I think we need to send an email to everybody tonight and say, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, how did I suck?
Yeah.
Like, I need feedback on how to make it better.
Yeah.
Because what exercises, what do we cut and what do we add in? I think the Q&A is so valuable.
Yeah, because of the.
I think that's where people get like the most, but then what do we cut to put more Q&A? I don't know. We're gonna think about it. We're gonna ask Believe Nation for feedback. 1 city down.
Yeah. There's 21 more.
21 more to go. Woo! Feeling good so far on this trip. We're gonna go back home,
Yeah.
do some more work. It's gonna be a late night.
Oh, I
It
don't
can't be
know.
too late because we gotta wake up early to do meetings tomorrow.
Yeah.
And work out in the morning.
Yeah.
Holy
Yeah.
cow.
8 day you wake up.
All right, we gotta be efficient because the end of this night has not been efficient because Evan spends too long talking to people when everybody else wants to go home. It was a great event, and I'm pissed. It has to get better.
Yeah.
So we need to be brutally honest with people and say, like, I know you loved it. It's amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, like, if you had to pick 3 things of how it sucked or where you see improvements, let me know.
Okay.
So we can bring that to the next one. Because all you're going to get is positivity
I
for the
know.
most part, right? People love it. The Pittsburgh vlog isn't over yet,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
right? We still have Explore Day, and so we'll see you soon. There's more coming. Stay
Yeah.
tuned.
Oh, what's this place we're going to, Evan?
I have no idea, dude. Well, that's close up. I follow Nina. She wants to get coffee and hot dogs. Nina's in charge. There's a place called Gasoline. So we're gonna try it. Here it is. Gasoline coffee. Good job, Nina. Nina has not let us down yet on the food, so.
Hot.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Lighter coffee, like the medium roast is a lighter coffee.
Yeah,
It's stronger.
yeah. So if you go to Starbucks
What
and
do
you
you
buy,
mean, more caffeine,
if you go to Starbucks and you buy a blonde, that's the lightest.
right?
That's the strongest. But it
It has
has,
the most caffeine.
yeah.
But
Whereas the darker roast has better flavor. It's a stronger coffee flavor, so it's more intense,
but it has less caffeine.
but has less caffeine.
Wow.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
If you told me that, I would have called BS. I actually did call BS, and then I got called out for being wrong on it.
Just like the dried mango
I feel
area.
like this is like Danny is the fountain of knowledge, and I'm getting schooled on a daily basis. This is what I've learned so far.
I'm a foodie.
I'm gonna come back way smarter. I guess that's true. Okay, fine, that's good. Around food stuff, Danny is very knowledgeable.
Now we gotta get to the car before you get ticketed because you parked in an illegal area. You parked in the police station.
It was Nina's idea, but I was complicit, so I'm following orders.
All right, no ticket. We're good.
Pittsburgh is great. We had a ton of fun. We're on Explore Day. It's cold. It's January something. Freezing our faces off, but enjoying some awesome gasoline coffee at the top of Pittsburgh. Nina almost didn't bring us here because she thought the weather would be too bad, but I'm glad you did. My fingers are a little numb.
I like the
at that.
buildings. They're very different.
Wow, look at this place. So what do you think about this place so far?
I'm enjoying watching Danny's reaction. I can't believe that people get married here.
It says right there on the sign. I'll show you. This place is available for rent. Birthday party, wedding party, Christmas party. This place.
It just wouldn't be the same without having Danny here.
Like, where does the groom and bride walk down? Or do you ride a bike?
Dun, 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 dun.
Or you ride a bike down the aisle?
Right?
Or
That'd
you
be
pick
great.
one? That's the gear that you're supposed to wear. Look at that sweater. How much is that sweater? $125? Oh my god. Oh, Evan's gonna fit inside the car.
All right. Let's go, team. This is a Nina-sized car right here. No lunchtime, no lunchtime. It's a big time fail. It's okay, we'll figure it out. Hashtag fail on this.
Man, I was looking forward to go come to this place. Oh man. Okay, let's sit in the car.
Well, good thing we got parking.
Where are we right now, Evan?
We are at a Smithsonian Museum in Pittsburgh. I know nothing about it. This is the first time I know we're even here. Nina booked it. But it looks like there's a bunch of historical stuff here.
Yeah.
gets closest to the white ball wins. Thank you, Pittsburgh. It's been a blast being here. We had a ton of fun. Continue to believe, and I'll see you there.